Merry Christmas, you guys! Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Today is Christmas Eve and I'm super excited. So today I wanted to start off with a e-card because I wanted to see what it says. So today, December 24, says, I am indebted to you and several credit card companies. That's pretty funny, but that's true. I mean, it's not true for me because I don't have credit card debt. Never did I have credit card debt. Anyways, right now I am waiting for the lasagna to be ready. Oh, before I got ready, my boyfriend found a bird in the laundry room. I will show you guys that footage right now. Look, you guys, there's a dove. Is this a dove? I don't know, but there's a bird inside our laundry room and I don't know what it's doing in here, and it's alive. So I'm gonna try to get it out right now. Babe, yeah. Come here, I'm gonna get it out. Here we go. Does it bite?
No, but it might try to like scratch you or picarte.
It's damaged, huh?
I think so.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Ay, qué chévere un pajarito hermoso. Vamos a quitarte esas telarañas. Look at his cute little feet, sis. No, calmate, calmate. I want to clean his beak. It's like tied up. Look.
Oh, it is?
Or, I think it has boogers. You think it has...
Isn't that broken?
I think it has a cold or something.
Oops, sorry about that.
Vapor rub?
You think it's sick? I think it's just it's in there.
I'm just gonna clean your beak. Don't bite me. Maybe we should get a towel. Have it. Blow your nose just a little bit, okay? Good girl. Or boy. ¿Estás todo moquito? ¿Tienes mocos? You have boogers. Wow, look at those beautiful eyes. Good boy. He's so cute. Tienes aquí también mocos. Look, sus patitas están cruzadas.
Oh, yeah.
That's cute.
You get scared when you saw it, huh?
Yeah, well, your PS guy is here.
Really?
Yeah.
You think he will fly? We'll just see if he can fly away.
Do I put it like somewhere safe for it to fly?
In the ground? Over here in the middle of the grass?
Okay.
Yeah, try there.
It's okay. It's cute. Go on, bird. Good boy. So it's fine? Maybe it was just cold?
Yeah, maybe just went inside the shed and I couldn't get out.
Where's it up? It's right there.
He's looking at you.
Vente.
Dale comida.
Oh, we should buy bird food.
We have a lot of birds out here though.
I know. Bartolo's being jealous right now.
Yeah. They also bark at birds then?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they're supposed to be here anymore.
What if he got bullied?
Lo dejaron.
What if he's like Sid from Ice Age?
That's what I was thinking. Like his
from?
family left him because he got stuck in the shed.
Yeah. So yeah, we saw that bird inside the laundry room and I got it out and we put it outside, but it looked like it wanted to go inside again, so I'm not sure if the bird has eggs in there, so we're just going to leave the door open so I could go in there again. So yeah. Oh, it scared me. I thought I saw someone behind me. That's scary. Anyways, I am wearing this sweater or long sleeve shirt. I don't know. It's like a sweater material, but it's a shirt. I don't know. But anyways, I got this in the Guess outlets in San Clemente when we went a couple of weeks ago, me and my boyfriend. So this is what it looks like. So I'm wearing an undershirt and it's like orange, so hopefully it's not that noticeable. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I like this a lot. But anyways, right now we are cooking the lasagna. Oh, And the lasagna should be done already. I still have to do the other lasagna because I could only put one lasagna at a time. So hopefully we don't take forever. So here is one of the lasagnas, and it looks weird in the middle because I decided to poke it with a fork so I could taste the inside to see if it's cooked, and it tastes good, so hopefully it's done. It was in the oven for an hour and 40 minutes, and now we're just waiting on the second one. So hopefully it gets done quick. Alright, you guys. Wow. So we are already on our way to Mexicali. We just like barely got out of the house. It is... Did my thingy die? Did my thingy
2:30?
die? It's 2:30? No. Your phone, your watch says 2:30? It's 4:11.
Oh yeah, okay, I read it wrong. This is hard to tell right now.
It is 4:11. It's super late. But Mexicali is only 45 minutes away, but we don't know if there's going to be a line to go in because it's the holidays and it's usually packed over there around this time. So yeah. So here is everything that we are taking. We have the breads, we have the cupcakes in there, Martinelli's. One of the lasagnas is right there because it's too hot to put in here. And we brought the Monopoly game. So yeah, a lot of stuff. And we're all like cluttered because it's cluttered.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we didn't want to put it in the bed because it's food and we don't know if it's going to go like
Oh,
like
and
that.
it's white out in the back.
Oh, and it's wet on the bed because it's been raining the past 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, here's Bay. He's driving.
What's up?
So right now I was wearing a burgundy lipstick, but for some reason it started like clumping. So I'm like, what the hell is this? So I just took it off and I put chapstick on, and I put on the Tartist lip gloss that we got in our BoxyCharm like a year ago. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. And yeah, look at the back, you guys. The view.
It looks better in the back than what I can see
Yeah.
in that screen.
That's funny. Alright, you guys, so I will show you guys once we get to Calexico, near the border, if there's traffic and all that jazz. So yeah, I'll see you guys over there.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with old Saint Nick.
No, not to put it.
Alright. So we're at my boyfriend's family's house, and they're going to open their Christmas gifts right now. Yeah.
Here you go, Perla.
Ok, Perla. Y este es. Ábranlo.
Espera, honey.
Angélica. Quiero Sara.
¿Y Marco?
Marquito.
Okay. Just get the other ones done de este lado.
¿Listo, mi papá?
Papá, amigo, tío.
Oh, here's Marcos.
Si te han mandado a de afuera, no vas. Ahorita va a estar más y la mujer también.
Ahorita vas para las perras de afuera.
He's gonna toss it.
Te puedes caer ni le cae bien la plebe.
Wait, that's for your dad? Oh yeah, okay, forgot.
¡Ay, una muñeca! ¡Una muñeca! La isla. Lávate las manos, Marcos.
Sucias.
Ahora júgate, tu hermano. Así como
¿Qué te dieron, comadre?
se va a pasar el perrito. Así está el peluchito. Todo un oso me regalaron, comadre.
De nada.
Este se pone en 60. Claro, recién bañado.
Compadre, no puede abrirlo.
That's for me? Cool. Look, you guys, I got a gift. Here.
Ya salió Marquito, ya salió Marquito.
Babe. No, ya.
Oye, Marquito, ahora de llamada, Marquito.
A ver, el chile,
A ver, Luis.
Ocupo, no sé, no lo escuché.
Le pusimos super good.
Este es el
Hombre, Tito, voy a ver.
abre tú, estás desesperado. Ándale,
Gracias, Angélica. Me gustó mucho.
Ay, qué buena, mi
A ver, dale.
De nada, Luis.
Órale.
¿Te quedó bien?
Oh, thank you. No, thank you.
Mira, grande.
I got a cardigan, you guys.
Yo creo que sí.
¿Qué le regalaron a Marco? ¿Perfume?
Champú para que se bañe.
Estoy muy emocionada porque tengo unas invitadas muy especiales para mí.
¿Sí te queda, pa? It's all soft one.
Like a blanket.
It's not.
Yeah. I needed another like cardigan.
Oh,
Did Luis like it?
Yeah. Yeah, Luis liked it.
Oh, okay.
Perfume.
¿Se te gusta, Marcos?
Ya.
He wanted to get you a small sweater.
¡Más jabón! ¡Más jabón! Mira, no me acuerdo.
Yeah, she was like, oh.
mira, compadre, o sea, vas.
¿Se te quedó bien, perro? ¿Se te gustó?
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, you guys! So it is, no, it's okay. So it's already Christmas Day. It is 1 o'clock and we are in the border ready to cross to America. But anyways, I'm super tired. I didn't really vlog that much at my boyfriend's family house because everyone was just like chill talking, and yeah, I only recorded them when we were opening gifts, so I might include that. You guys already probably saw that if I already did. But anyways, we're gonna go home. If I open the Christmas presents, I might include it in Vlogmas Day 24, and it's going to be a time lapse. And then on Christmas Day, I will do a what I got for Christmas because you guys want to see it and I want to show you guys. So yeah, anyways, I'll show you guys if we see anything cool right here at the border. We're about to cross right now and it's 2:15. We are next. Look at the border patrol guy. Oh, he's only recording. I think I'm gonna get in trouble now. I better put this away. Alright, you guys, so we are home and I am so tired and greñuda. My bun is all like falling and shit. But anyways, we are home already and it is, if I look like I'm crying, I'm not. I was yawning right now. So it is $3.
$3. See, I'm tired, you guys.
It's 3:05. There you go. Jeez, I can't tell time when I'm sleepy. What the heck? $3. Anyways, Merry Christmas, you guys. So we're not gonna open gifts right now because we're super exhausted and we just want to sleep. So we're just going to open our gifts whenever we wake up today, like in 6 hours, like around 9 or 10 or so. So that's when you guys are going to see the time lapse of me opening the Christmas presents, and I'm also going to do the what I got for Christmas in that same video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, whatever I vlogged today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.